There are two different types of filter available with methven hot tap, one of which is the carbon filter, which reduces limescale. Both filters are fitted with an isolation valve. This is for when you're changing the filter. For the carbon filter, you turn the isolation valve through 90 degrees and simply twist the filter through 90 and it comes off like that. Once you've removed it from the filter housing, simply unscrew the top. The cap will release and inside is the filter media. This can be removed from the top connector, and then this is 100% biodegradable. To replace your filter, simply reverse the process. Put the filter media back into the connector, push it on tight, replace the cap, place the outer body, screw it in tight and reattach to the filter housing. Thanks for choosing methven hot tap.